Guys, what's up? My name is Rajat. Welcome back to my channel VFX World. So guys, today I'll show you one more exciting tutorial is all about Photoshop action. So this time this is very easy to make and is a very short. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Okay, so this is Photoshop version CC 2017 version, which is recently updated one is 2019. So okay, so now we have to import this kind of pictures. Make sure guys your background should be is like almost a flat color, then you can see what exactly it will happen. Okay, first of all we have to install our Photoshop action, which is I will add this action in my description bar. You can go and download it from there. So this is Photoshop action. In this action we have two options like Photoshop brushes and Photoshop action. So double click on it and it will automatically open Photoshop and install. Then the dynamics Photoshop action, then double click and it will install. So window and action, see there's a action is visible here. Okay, so now for using this action process is very easy. So first of all, just go to the selection tool, whatever you can choose for selection. I am choosing this magic wand tool. Just select on background, then I'll change this to quick selection tool and this plus button for add selection. Now I have to add some more selections here. Then Control Shift and I on keyboard for invert the selection. Then I'll delete this much area. Suppose like this. Yep, it's good. And like this one. Whatever you can do, you have to do this almost clean. So like this, and this area is a little bit, and this area. Okay, so it's almost fine. Control 0 for fit to screen. The next step is take a new layer, rename it like brush, BRUSH brush. So guys, now I'm doing this layer is BRUSH. The B is a capital B. The reason is when you open this action and open this one drop down menu, you can see there's an option select layer brush. This brush name is in inverted comma. So whatever is there, you have to put this name on the same layer panel. So otherwise the action will not work properly. Then select this brush layer and fill it whatever you can choose your color, like alt backspace for fill this color. Then next Control D for deselect. Then you're almost done. Just select this dynamic Photoshop action and just press this play button. So you have to take few seconds, like 15 or 10 seconds, your Photoshop action automatically done all the steps here. So this is almost complete, and when it will complete, it will exactly look like this. Now there's a lots of details here. When you zoom it, see lots of patches here. You can go and directly change from here, but just you have to find where is this patches are. Just turn off and turn on. You can see this is a main object layer, and it should be little go up and select color options is there, and the next one is main object, next one is brush mask. I think no, this one is not. Then the next option I should be is like where it is, highlighted parts. This one's the highlights. Okay, then it's a color correction, see. Okay, the next one is background clouds, shadow. I think this is in main object, which is I think this one. Yeah, this one, correct. Then just go on this one menu and just go to brush and select this black color, and you can remove it like this. See, it's very easy. You can remove it from face because this is actually whatever you can visible, it's actually in face. So if his face is clear, whatever in outside it's not matter, right? So now you can add your own color correction from here. Just go and choose your own color correction method, like color option 1, color option 2. I think the by default one is pretty good, so just let it be like this. Okay, let's try with one more option. I already done this. Just I was showing you this is see, this is a photo, and select this like brush color, fill it like this, and when it will complete, it will look like this. Okay guys, this is a very easiest way to make such a cool kind of photo by using Photoshop action. Hope you like this video, and if you still not subscribe my channel, please do go and subscribe my channel VFX World, and don't forget to press that bell icon for further notifications. If you have really liked my these videos, then do comment, share and like, and obviously subscribe. Hopefully you like this. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy, have fun, and I will see you in my next tutorial. Goodbye, have fun.